Okay, so here we have a quick trade review of today's trading session. In this scenario, we're using the EURUSD Mastery 11 a.m. strategy with 1 to 2R. What this simply means is at 11 a.m. we look at the 1 minute, maybe the 5 minutes for a possible entry using supply and demand and fair value. Now today at 11 a.m., which is at this time, the market was over here. We identify fair value below. We identify recent fair value above. Now the idea was to look at 11 a.m. for a supply and demand imbalance on the 1 minute, which could have been found outside of fair value just below here, right? This was demand. Above fair value would have been up here, which was supply. But with the market being at this level, we went with the demand level, right? Now this was sent out as a signal as well. At 11 a.m., the market slowly made its way down. We had a zone created right here as well, drop base drop with some fair value below. That could have been considered. However, the zone we had in mind was this zone below. So as the market continued to drop from 11 a.m. to 12 to 1, all the way to 2, and around 3 o'clock, our entry was triggered. 1 pip or 1 tick above the level, stop loss 1 pip or 1 tick below. So this was 6 pips risk for 11 pips reward. Eventually the market reacted to the demand zone, hit the TP just before market close, and that was our trade for the day, using supply and demand, using fair value, and using our 11 a.m. entry time on the 1 minute for 1 to 2 risk reward. Over here we would see the signal was sent in the mastermind trading group for free, right? I sent the screenshot. The market was up here. I sent the buy order just below the entry, stop loss, take profit, and then the update where the trade was triggered right here for a stop loss. For a take profit, right? It didn't hit stop loss, it hit take profit. And that's the trade for the day. We're gonna come back tomorrow and look for the same exact thing, right? At 11 a.m. we're gonna approach the market, look for our fair value, look for our supply, look for our demand, set our entry at 1 to 2, 1 to 3 if the market looks good, but 1 to 2 if the market's a little shaky, and we're gonna wait for the outcome. 1 to 2 trades a day. It's that simple.